We're here to show you how to verify your account with Amarkets. In the previous tutorial, we registered with this broker. On the main dashboard, click on the avatar and then My Profile. In the Documents section, choose your ID documents: passport, driver's license, or ID card. Verify your email and phone number. During registration, a code was sent to your email. Enter it to verify. For the phone number, receive a call and enter the last 4 digits to verify. The Add Documents option is activated, so let's click on that. At the bottom of this page, as you can see, in the Documents section, we can choose our identification documents, which can be a passport, driver's license, or ID card. Before this step, we need to have verified our email and phone number. As you saw during the registration process, when we registered, a code is sent to our email address, and by entering it, we can verify our email. Also, regarding the mobile phone number, we receive a call, and by entering the last 4 digits of that call, we can verify our phone number. Now, the Add Documents option has been activated for us, so let's click on that. At this stage, you can choose to continue the steps on your mobile phone or on the device you are currently using. We can verify our email, and regarding the mobile phone number, we receive a call, and by entering the last 4 digits of that call, we verify our phone number. Now, the Add Documents option has been activated for us, so let's click on that. In this step, you can choose to continue the process on your mobile phone or on the device you are currently using. Since we need to take a picture of our identification documents, we'll proceed with the steps on our mobile phone. At this stage, you choose whether to continue the steps on your mobile phone or on the device you're currently using. To take a picture of your ID, continue. On your mobile, scan both sides of the document. Your identity details will appear. If correct, tap Continue. Go to the phone with the proof of the opinion. You scan it with your phone, and you also need to scan the back of your identification document. Then, your identity information, like your first name, last name, date of birth, and gender, will be shown to you. If everything is correct, you can click on the Continue option on your mobile. Well, as you can see, our identity verification has been successfully completed, and we can access different sections of the site. Stay with us for the upcoming tutorials on deposits and withdrawals using various methods. Take care.